Sapa Package. Day 1, December 27, 2024, arrival in Hanoi. Morning to afternoon, arrival and transfer. Arrival in Hanoi. Upon landing at Noi Bai International Airport, you will be warmly greeted by a professional chauffeur and escorted to your luxurious accommodation. Hotel check-in. You will settle into your rooms at the La Siesta Premium Hangbi Hotel, a renowned 4-star boutique hotel situated in the heart of Hanoi's Old Quarter. This hotel is celebrated for its impeccable service, elegant decor, and serene ambience, perfect for a romantic stay. Evening, exploring the Old Quarter. Leisurely stroll. After freshening up, the couple can embark on a leisurely evening stroll through Hanoi's vibrant Old Quarter. You'll have the chance to soak in the lively atmosphere, explore quaint shops, and admire the colonial architecture. Dinner with a view. Optional. The day will culminate with a romantic dinner at the rooftop bar and restaurant, offering panoramic views of Hoan Kiem Lake. Here, you can enjoy a delectable array of Vietnamese and international cuisines while watching the sunset over the shimmering lake. Overnight at La Siesta Premium Hangbi Hotel.
Day 2, December 28, 2024, journey to Sapa and Cat Cat Village. Morning, scenic transfer to Sapa. Breakfast. A hearty breakfast will be served at the hotel to start the day. Private transfer. Depart for Sapa in a comfortable, private limousine van. The drive takes approximately 5 hours through breathtaking mountainous landscapes, offering stunning vistas of terraced rice fields and mist-covered valleys. Afternoon. Arrival and exploration of Cat Cat Village. Hotel check-in. Upon arrival in Sapa, you will check into the Hotel de la Cuole, M Gallery, a stunning 4-star hotel that seamlessly blends French colonial architecture with local Hmong cultural elements. The hotel boasts elegant rooms, exquisite dining options, and exceptional service. Visit to Cat Cat Village. After settling in, the couple will visit Cat Cat Village, a picturesque ethnic minority village located in the Muong Hoa Valley. Here, you can explore traditional Hmong houses, browse local handicraft shops, and marvel at the cascading terraced rice fields framed by towering limestone peaks. Evening, relaxation and dinner. Return to hotel. The evening is free for relaxation. You can enjoy the hotel's amenities, such as the spa, or take a leisurely walk around the hotel's beautiful gardens. Dinner. Optional. A delightful dinner will be served at the hotel's restaurant, featuring a selection of both Vietnamese and international dishes prepared with fresh, local ingredients. Overnight at Hotel de la Cuole, M Gallery.
Day 3, December 29, 2024, Phan Xiphan Mountain Adventure. Morning, ascend Phan Xiphan Mountain. Breakfast, enjoy a sumptuous breakfast at the hotel. Phan Xiphan Cable Car, embark on an exhilarating journey aboard the world's longest and highest cable car to the summit of Phan Xiphan Mountain, often referred to as the roof of Indochina. The ride offers panoramic views of the Hoang Lian Sun Range and the sprawling valleys below. Exploration at the summit. At the peak, the couple can visit the Phan Xiphan Pagoda, the highest Buddhist pagoda in Vietnam, and admire the majestic giant Buddha statue. The serene and spiritual atmosphere provides a perfect setting for contemplation and photography. Afternoon, leisure time in Sapa. Descend and return. After descending the mountain, you will return to the hotel to relax and refresh. Explore Sapa Town. In the late afternoon, you can explore Sapa Town at your own pace. Visiting the local markets offers a glimpse into the vibrant daily life and a chance to purchase unique souvenirs. Evening, romantic dinner. Dinner, optional. Indulge in a romantic dinner at the Hill Station signature restaurant, known for its exquisite Vietnamese cuisine and charming ambience. Overnight at Hotel de la Cuole, M Gallery.
Day 4, December 30, 2024, Muong Hoa Valley Trekking. Morning, guided trek through Muong Hoa Valley. Breakfast. A hearty breakfast will be served at the hotel. Trekking adventure. Set out on a guided trekking tour through the stunning Muong Hoa Valley. The couple will walk along the emerald green terraced rice fields, passing through traditional Hmong and Dao villages. This immersive experience offers an authentic insight into the lives and customs of Vietnam's ethnic minorities. Lunch, picnic amidst nature. Scenic picnic. A delicious picnic lunch will be arranged amidst the scenic beauty of the valley, allowing you to savor local delicacies while surrounded by nature. Afternoon. Visit to Ta Van Village. Continue trekking. The trek continues to Ta Van Village, where you can interact with the local people, learn about your traditional lifestyles, and perhaps participate in a local craft workshop. Return to Sapa. After an enriching day of trekking and cultural exploration, you will return to the hotel to unwind. Evening, relaxation and dinner. Spa time. The evening is free for relaxation. You may choose to indulge in a couple's spa treatment at the hotel's spa for ultimate relaxation. Dinner. Enjoy a delightful dinner at the hotel's restaurant, featuring a blend of local and international flavors. Overnight at Hotel de la Cuole, Gallery.
Day 5, December 31, 2024, Silver Waterfall and Heaven's Gate. Morning, visit to Silver Waterfall. Breakfast, start the day with a delicious breakfast at the hotel. Silver Waterfall, depart for a visit to Silver Waterfall, Thak Bak, one of Sapa's most stunning natural attractions. The couple can revel in the beauty of the cascading waters, surrounded by lush greenery and towering limestone cliffs. Late morning, Heaven's Gate. Heaven's Gate, Qua Ma continue to Heaven's Gate, the highest mountain pass in Vietnam. From here, you can enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the valley below and the winding roads that stretch into the horizon, perfect for memorable photographs. Afternoon, pleasure and spa. Return to hotel. After exploring the natural wonders, you will return to the hotel. Afternoon relaxation. The afternoon is free for leisure. You might choose to relax at the hotel, take a dip in the pool, or explore nearby attractions at your own pace. Evening, New Year's Eve celebration. Special New Year's Eve dinner, optional. Celebrate the arrival of the new year with a special dinner at Cocoon Sapa Resort and Spa's restaurant, offering a gourmet selection of Vietnamese and international dishes in an elegant setting. New Year's Eve festivities. Post-dinner, you can join the hotel's New Year's Eve celebrations, which may include live music, dancing, and fireworks, creating a magical and memorable start to the year. Overnight at Hotel de la Cuole, Gallery.
Day 6, January 1st, 2024. Return to Hanoi. Morning, relaxed start and breakfast. Breakfast, enjoy a leisurely breakfast at the hotel, taking in the serene morning atmosphere of Sapa. Check out. After breakfast, you will check out from the hotel. Mid-morning, scenic transfer back to Hanoi. Private transfer, depart for Hanoi in a comfortable private limousine van. The journey offers another opportunity to admire the stunning highland landscapes one last time. Afternoon, arrival and check-in in Hanoi. Hotel check-in. Upon arrival in Hanoi, you will check into the Capella Hanoi, an exquisite 4-star hotel known for its elegant design, exceptional service, and central location. Relaxation. After the journey, the couple can relax and refresh at the hotel, perhaps enjoying a swim in the pool, or unwinding in your luxurious room. Evening, New Year's Day in Hanoi. Special dinner, optional to continue the New Year celebrations. A special dinner will be arranged at La Verticale, a renowned fine dining restaurant offering a fusion of Vietnamese and French cuisines. The elegant ambience and gourmet dishes will provide a perfect end to your romantic journey. Evening stroll. Post-dinner, you can enjoy an evening stroll around Hon Kiem Lake, illuminated beautifully at night, offering a peaceful and romantic setting. Overnight at Capella Hanoi.
Day 7, January 2nd, 2024, departure from Hanoi. Morning, leisurely breakfast and final exploration. Breakfast, enjoy a relaxed breakfast at the hotel. Optional activities. Hon Kiem Lake, a final visit to Hon Kiem Lake for a morning walk or to witness the locals practicing Tai Chi. Old Quarter shopping, last-minute shopping in the bustling Old Quarter for souvenirs, handicrafts, and local specialties. Afternoon,
Transfer to airport. Lunch. If time permits, a light lunch can be enjoyed at a nearby cafe or restaurant. Hotel checkout. Check out from the hotel and prepare for departure. Private transfer. A private chauffeur will transfer you to Hanoi International Airport for your return flight, ensuring a smooth and comfortable end to your memorable trip.
Key highlights of the itinerary. Luxurious accommodations. La Siesta Premium Hangbi Hotel, boutique elegance in Hanoi's Old Quarter. Hotel de la Cour M Gallery, French colonial charm with local cultural influences in Sapa. Capella Hanoi, sophisticated comfort and impeccable service in the heart of Hanoi. Scenic experiences. Fansipan Mountain, ascend the roof of Indochina via the world's longest and highest cable car. Muang Hoa Valley trekking, explore terraced rice fields and traditional ethnic villages. Silver Waterfall and Heaven's Gate, marvel at natural waterfalls and panoramic mountain passes. Cultural immersion. Cat Cat Village, discover the rich traditions of the Hmong ethnic minority. Local markets, experience the vibrant local markets in Sapa and Hanoi. New Year celebrations, celebrate the New Year with special dinners and festivities. Romantic touches. Rooftop and fine dining, enjoy romantic dinners with stunning views. Spa treatments, indulge in relaxing spa sessions for ultimate comfort. Evening strolls, leisurely walks around scenic lakes and vibrant streets. Note, all transfers, accommodations, and activities can be customized further based on specific preferences and requirements to ensure a personalized and seamless travel experience.